Hi, in the last video we installed Ubuntu on a virtual machine. In this video we want to install the Petalinux on the Ubuntu machine. For this we have the Ubuntu machine and we look at the tutorial 1144. We see that we need to have root access, but we need to install this in a non-root user. Now, Petalinux recommend that we install it in this directory. So let's make it. We'll open a terminal. We go sudo super user, we go as root. We'll go to our root directory and to our opt, and we see there is no package here, so let's make it. We'll change the owner because we need to be in a non-root user. And we let it permission. Now we need to do the same for the Petalinux directory. Okay, and we exit the root and back to our user. Next, we need Petalinux require a number of standard development tools. We need to install the packages. This is why we downloaded the Excel file. Here is the command to install the standard tools. We'll copy this and we'll paste it, and let's install. This will take some time, so I'll pause the video and come back when it's done. Okay, we installed all the packages from the Excel sheet, but after a lot of errors and a lot of Google search, I found out that we still need one more package, and this is it. So we'll install this as well. And we go back to our tutorial. Here they say Petalinux tool requires the dash shell, so we need to take this command and put it in. Yes. Now we're ready to install the Petalinux. In the installation guide for the Petalinux, we need the installer. The installer can be downloaded from the Petalinux download. We go here, we go to our version, and we download the installer. Now I already downloaded this and I have it in my documents. This is where it download from the Petalinux website. We need to change mode 755 to it, like the tutorial says. Let's see. And yes, it's executable. And we'll install it with the --dir option to our to the opt Petalinux directory that we made. So Petalinux opt pkg Petalinux, and here we'll have the installation. Sorry, forgot the -dir. Here it asks some questions. It will show us the license agreement. We press enter to see the license agreement. We press Q to go out of the license agreement, and press yes that we accept the agreement. Here is another agreement. We have two of those, and we start the installation. Okay, the installation is done, but we still can't use the Petalinux. The Ubuntu doesn't recognize it. And if we look at the path, we don't have the Ubuntu here. For this, we need to source a setting script from the installation folder. This has to be done every time you open a new terminal. And now the Petalinux is recognized. We can do create, we can do config, and our path shows the Petalinux installation path. So we finish setting the environment. We have the Vivado, we have the Ubuntu, and we have the Petalinux. In the next video, we will build a design, our design, that we can use in the Linux operating system. And then we can move on to the Linux generation and the application generation. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.